What's going on, everyone? My name is Scott, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I built this overhead surfboard rack. It only took me 3 2x3s and 4 48-inch dowels, and some pipe installation. It was relatively easy to throw together, kind of like a 30-minute project. So let's get started. We're basically going to have 1 2x3 that gets screwed into the ceiling, and then 2 2x3s that kind of drop down like this tape measure here. And the dowels will go into that one. I'm gonna make the drop down piece 20 inches just because we don't have that much ceiling height in here. Now we're gonna drill 2 1-inch holes. First one's gonna be 8 inches down from the top here. Second one's gonna be 18 inches. Turns out my rods were 1 inch and 1/8, so I just re-drilled them with this guy. Anyways, now we put some wood glue on the inside of these holes, and we're just gonna pound with a hammer these rods in. If you're a sledgehammer builder like myself right now, might come out a little wonky, but that's okay. It's just a quick project. It's pretty cheap. Take our pipe insulation and just put it on there like that. Squeeze it together. Now we just need one more. Using a stud finder, you can try to find your studs. I think they kind of suck, but I'm pretty sure there's something right here. So we'll try that. Okay, moment of truth. It's kind of perfect. Got the Bronco nestled back in here, went right underneath the fins. A little spooky when you're driving under it. And I'm hoping when I add the roll cage, it's still gonna fit. I believe I measured a couple times. It should be good. So that's all I got for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go check out some other videos. Till next time, goodbye.